Porsche made some very important changes to the 911 for 1970. The engine was bumped to 2.2 litres, and the wheelbase increased to help tame twitchy handling. It was also the first appearance of the colour Albert Blue. We're excited to present an outstanding example of a 1970 Porsche 911T Targa from that pivotal year. Equipped with the S-Appearance Group sport seats and Hella driving lights, this Targa, finished in the rare colour Albert Blue, has just enough to stand out from all the rest. Here is why. Initially delivered in California, the Porsche's floor pan is original, with no apparent rust repair, and currently appears rust-free. The Fuchs 15-inch alloys are date-coded and shod with nearly new Vredestein Sprint Classic tyres. A documented service history of over 30 years is rare for any classic sports car, but this Porsche 911T has one. Porsche's 2.2-litre air-cooled engine has one unique feature. An indescribable sound. Oh, and it has a radio too, but who would ever turn it on? For more details on this vehicle or similar, please visit huntingridgemotors.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.